Today we're diving into a piece of equipment that's going to improve the quality of your videos, make focusing a breeze, and make sure you get perfect exposure every time. Hey there photographers, filmmakers and fellow content creators, welcome back to the channel. That's right, this is the Feelworld F6 PRO camera monitor, and let's get straight into it. Now straight out the box you get everything you need to use this monitor, including a case, a battery, a sun hood and a mount. So what are the benefits of using a monitor, and specifically the Feelworld F6 PRO? Well, it comes with a crisp, clear display that features a 5.5-inch Full HD touchscreen display, providing you with a crystal clear view of your footage. No more struggling to try and see the tiny screen on the rear of your camera. You also get much more advanced monitoring tools to improve your recordings, and these include focus peaking, zebra exposure, anamorphic zoom, forced colour, image flip, vector scopes, to name just a few. I cannot tell you how many times an external monitor has stopped me from making a mistake with my video settings. Now we got to do that shot again. I left the camera in manual focus mode. It also comes with versatile connectivity with HDMI input and output, as well as DC and headphone jacks. And if you're old school and prefer buttons over touch screens, then you have no need to worry, because on the top of the monitor it has all the buttons you need to change any of your settings. And it also comes with a secondary power output, great if you want to change it to wireless. The F6 PRO is compatible with a wide range of cameras and accessories, and comes in at a weight of only 250 grams, which is the same amount as a mini drone. We also get mounting points on the rear, top, bottom and side of this monitor, meaning you've got lots of options on how to attach this monitor, and you have a USB-C port for installing firmware updates, or to preview up to 32 different LUTs. And this monitor is perfect for on-the-go shooting without adding extra bulk to your setup. Now we'll be putting the Feelworld F6 PRO to the test to see how well it performs. There's no better feeling than using a monitor over the rear screen of the camera. It's kind of like the same feeling when you're sitting in a really comfortable chair and you know it's supporting you. So after using this monitor exclusively for 3 weeks, what are my overall feelings about it? Well, I must say this monitor performed fantastically, but it does come with one negative. As someone that owns the original version 1 Feelworld F6 Plus monitor and has done for the last 5 years, this comes with 2 drawbacks. With a brightness of only 400 nits, the screen wasn't viewable in any kind of direct sunlight. Feelworld have addressed this issue by providing the Pro version with a screen of 1600 nits, which is absolutely perfect. The second issue with the original F6 Plus was the mounting bracket, which was a bit clunky and something like you'd find in my granddad's shed. Now I'm not sure why, but Feelworld have kept with this bracket for the new Pro version, and I must say I'm not a big fan of it. Now Andy Cine, the producer of the monitor, do sell an upgraded monitor mount, which I really highly recommend over the supplied one. So the only negative with this monitor is its mounting bracket. Let's take a look at its positives. Its image clarity and image quality, as well as colour reproduction, is absolutely spot on. And with a screen brightness of 1600 nit, I had no problems viewing the monitor even in direct sunlight. The other thing I really liked about the brightness of this monitor was you could adjust the backlight and brightness simply by sliding upwards or downwards on the screen with your finger. You don't have to be looking in menus or pressing buttons to adjust the brightness. Next, it comes supplied as standard with a hard case, which is really nice to see. Then we have its weight at only 250 grams, which really adds very little to your setup. The fact that it comes with a touchscreen plus customizable menu buttons makes it really user friendly. The supplied NP battery also comes with a USB-C port for easy charging. And then you realise that this whole monitor package comes in at only 170 UK pounds. It really is superb value for money. So what are my final thoughts then about this camera monitor? Overall, I'm extremely impressed with the Feelworld F6 PRO camera monitor. Its combination of advanced features, portability and affordability make it a must-have tool for any filmmaker looking to up their game. I will leave links to this monitor in the description and in the top pinned comment, so make sure you check it out. Thank you very much for tuning into the review of the Feelworld F6 PRO camera monitor. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more filmmaking tips and gear reviews. Until next time, happy shooting, see you soon everyone.